Today I'm going to show you how to recreate every light from this video with only one light besides what you have at home. In this first location, the bedroom, the light is the same while the angles. And here we can draw a top-down view being this wall and this wall being this one. We only have one light in this set and it's here with a softbox and a grid, making the light come on this direction. We also have a blockage here, making the background darker and the light focus on the subject. Here, the setup of the light with a grid and some blockage here. Here is without the blockage. You can see the background with more light casted on. And this one is without a grid, only softbox. You can see way more light, less separation between the shadows and the highlights, way less separation. The image seems way flatter, just like this. Now moving to the next scene, we have here, we literally only have this light, making the top-down view super easy, being this wall here and this one. We have the subject facing this way, having only one light here, being a spotlight. I'm going to show you how it looks without any light. Here is the light from the window. You can see here no noticeable shadows, very flat. The light coming from the same side as the camera, making it super flat and not very cinematic. We want to make it moody, darker, more intense vibe. So you can see here the shadows way more intense than a flat look. Here you can see the separation is very harsh. Moving to the next scene. Here we have the kitchen. There is more lights than the ones before, but still super easy. If we call this wall this one here, this one behind, we can do it like this, and there's a blockage. The subject being me, and here we have three lights actually. One here being a spotlight. We have a few ones from the kitchen, and we have one more here. This one from the exhaustion is way warmer, and this is way colder. This creates a very good separation, being behind here a teal and here a warm look. So showing you here without the light from the exhaustion, here without the blue light from behind, you can see the image becomes way less interesting. Here without any light, here with just from the exhaustion. If something way more intense, this would be cool because it has blue here in this wall, still from outside, and here becomes way warmer separation. You can see it here without the ambient light, but too much shadows, too much dark, to the type of video that we are looking for here. In these two next scenes, the light is the same for both of them, and we can see a very separation from the blue to the teal. This is very interesting to see, very pleasing. You can also see very soft from the highlights to the shadow. This is because of the softbox. Making this wall from a top-down view, this one and this wall, this one. We have a light here and we have it here, the softbox with the grid once again to control the spilling. This light is warmer and this one colder. There is a third light here, which is the phone, very interesting one, you can see it in a bit. Here you can see it a close-up. Once again, the highlights to the shadows very soft because of the softbox, making it super moody. Some catch light here in the eye. Let me show you here. This is without the softbox. This is with the phone. Here with full power on. You can see it loses a little bit the mystic. This is just a softbox and this is just a phone. Moving to our next scene. This is the easiest one to do. If we use this wall as a top-down view, being this wall and this wall here, the only light is literally the computer screen. And making it bluish to make it more moody. You can see some harsh separation here as well. You can see here behind the light, I tried to create some separation, but I actually enjoyed it more without it. You can see it here. The light behind is too powerful. You can see there's so much light. We reduce it. You can see without the screen, just showing the light behind. Less powerful, very good for separation. You could add something to block the reflection or just do it in post, super easy. And here, just the light from behind to show you. This is the same setup of the light, super easy. And that's how the light for this video was made.